Ayan, mukhang mag-uulan the whole day. So ngayon, alis kami. Punta muna kami sa church. And then tignan natin mamaya kung saan tayo pwede pumunta. Ayan, tagal nila eh. Kaya lalong lumakas. Tumakbo na si Sky. Lakas ng ulan ngayon, so kailangan natin magmadali. Medyo mataas na yung tubig.
Like a top.
How is Kids Church?
Good.
Good.
And this is Malcolm.
She was wearing pants.
Ayan, maulan pa rin. Kaya magmadali tayo.
Mom, can I have some of my money?
Yan, so dito kami nag-end up sa Toronto Premium Outlet. Pero umuulan siya. Pero dito na lang namin naisipan kasi ayaw na namin lumayo. Dahil mamaya 5 PM nagpapasundo si Sarah. Then after that, mag-grocery ba tayo?
Oo. Para make sure lang natin kung hindi na enough yung
Oo, yung food. Kasi kahapon, meron pa naman natira yung dala nila Tita Remy. Pero hindi lang namin alam kung enough siya. Kaya baka lutuin na lang ni Jamie yung binili namin na salmon from Costco. So today is August 2, no?
Yes.
So August na, bilis ng panahon. So in 1 month time, yun.
Babalik na si Winter, ano?
Hindi, babalik na itong dalawa sa school. Pero pag tatanong mo sila, ayaw pa nila pumasok ulit. And then syempre si September, ano ba si September? Birthday ni Mami tsaka ni Sarah.
Ano na?
So pinag-iisipan namin kung saan kami mag-celebrate. Pero at the same time, ayun, yun din yung month na uwi na sila sa Pilipinas. What, Sky?
I'm making a video.
Huh? It's cold? You're not used to cold anymore?
Si Enzo yun.
Si Enzo ba yan?
Cold,
Ollie,
Yan, kasi chinek ko kanina, currently 19 degrees.
Ay, 19 ba?
Oo, 19.
Nasa t-shirt lang
I
tayo,
just see
ah.
Michael Hill.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Yeah. Yan, so nire-remind ko nga si Jamie na siguro yung kailangan namin tignan today is yung winter jacket ni Sky. Kasi usually tumitingin kami dun sa sa Columbia, usually naka-sale. Pero ngayon since off season. Pero
Sana mas naka-sale.
the last time kasi parang wala naman stocks ng ng winter jacket. Kasi si Sky, siya ang wala ng winter jacket dahil napagliitan niya na lahat. So tingnan natin kung meron tayong makita. Yun. So hindi sila makakapaglaro dahil yung playground, ayan, basa. Pero gusto pa rin nila mag-real food. Later na lang.
Later after we eat a little. They're experiencing hunger. Hunger.
I'm so hungry. I want to eat the
You want a cool jacket?
So nandito na tayo sa Columbia. Tingnan lang natin kung meron. Kung wala, tagal pa naman yung winter.
Wala. Mura ba yan? Pero hindi yan winter jacket eh.
Pero I think pwede na to. Ang tanong na lang kung may size.
Your head is so high.
Can you see?
Look at the food.
It's so long.
It's kind of big, Sky.
I think it's big.
I could do Billy Jean. Bro,
Parang
you
laki.
can't even see my hands. Now you can.
Oh, you want this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I forgot the song.
Which size do you like? The smaller one, no? Okay.
And so at least, nabili na namin yung winter jacket ni Sky. Kasi mahirap yung kapag mag-snow na, tsaka ka palang bibili. Kasi like last year, biglang di ba, napaaga yung pagbuhos ng snow, hindi ina-expect ng karamihan. Tapos wala silang winter boots. Kaya wala silang nagamit. What do you guys wanna eat?
Gusto daw niya na?
Salmon sushi and
Ano ba yan?
salmon sushi and noodles.
Ngayon ako. How about this guy? What do you wanna eat?
Poutine.
Ha?
Poutine?
Putin? Na naman?
Poutine?
I'll just have two and you have one.
It's up to you. If you can finish everything.
Wait, I'm gonna get the soy sauce. Where's the spoon?
There's no spoon. You have to use your chopstick. Do you know how to use your chopsticks?
Just a little. I don't really know.
How is it? There's your poutine.
Right. I'm almost like full.
Oh, you're full na?
There's no more noodles. That's your food.
I thought I want noodles.
So makikihati pa siya dyan.
Not this one. Ibang noodles. You like this noodles?
Oh, I like the other one.
Oh, yun nga. Yung gusto niya yun doon.
Is it spicy?
Parang tom yum eh.
Is it spicy or?
Hindi ba yun yung in-order mo?
Ayoko nga ng tom yum eh. Pero tom yum to eh.
Mom, is it spicy?
Yum na. Ha? It's not spicy, baby.
It's
You like
spicy?
No, it's not.
Ah,
Do you like it? Wow. Gutom nga sila.
Ayan. Alis na kami. Pero ito si Enzo. Nagpapabili pa kasi nung What's that? What do you want?
What do you want?
Boba? Ayan, kasi hindi na nila nagawa yung routine nila na pumunta rin sa real food.
Ayan naman eh. See what are you doing?
Yan. So, nakita na kami sa TNT uli. Bibili nga lang kami ng pangsahog ni Jamie dun sa gawin niyang sinigang. And then siguro magre-replenish na lang din kami ng pang-breakfast namin, like yung sticky rice. So again, yun uli yung flavor na bibilin namin. Kasi yun na nga yung naging favorite namin lahat. Then after this, sunduin lang namin si Sarah. And then syempre yung dalawa, yun nga, hindi nga kami tinigilan about dun sa milk tea nila. So mamaya after kay Sarah, daan lang kami dun sa It's Tea, yung malapit lang sa bahay namin. And then uwi na kami. Go!
Like that. Wait, baby.
Diretso sa free taste.
This one is this one is baby.
Iba naman. Ano yan, si? Melon?
Emerald crisp.
Patikim.
Mom, I want to eat chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken over there. The beef. Mommy, try it.
Sige nga.
Try mo. 88 cents eh.
I want the beef. Mommy, can I have the beef? Now.
Ano melon?
Kala ko na iba eh. Ito, yung donut, yung donut peach.
Tinikman ko rin.
Tingnan ko.
Ang sarap. So successful naman pala yung pagpapa-free taste nila sa'yo.
Sa'yo, ikaw ay nakatikim eh. Kasi donut peach. No, enough na. Four na. Four na.
Wala kang pinapalampas sa free taste na. Ano naman yan?
Mushroom! Walang pinapalagpas. Ikaw naman si Mr. Tikir. Tapos, for mushroom, kasi yung
Alin?
chop.
So, ito binili mo?
Get something.
Toyo.
Yan ata yun.
Ito ba yun?
Sana.
Sabi ni Tita Remy?
Nakita ko siya yung nasa box. Nakalimutan
Okay.
ko yun.
Tapos ito, nakasale din kasi itong Cal Rose na bigas. Subukan din namin kasi naubos na namin yung rooster namin. So far, ito kasi yung nakasale. Walang UFC. Pero walang UFC dito, no? Ay, ayun. Okay na to.
Ayaw mo, Jufran?
Ayoko. Kakakain pa lang natin yan, ha?
Ikaw, yung dami na kinain. Ito yung mas madaming kinain. Ano, kamusta? Masarap? Yung noodles, nagustuhan niya yung noodles. So, he will spend his money on that noodles. Can he?
Ikaw bahala.
Oh, let's buy. You
Oh,
want
can I
that?
still have boba?
Yeah. Bilis na. Masaya pa.
So, nabudol din siya ng free taste.
Noodle.
Ayun, sabi niya kakainin daw niya. Kasi binibenta, $6, 6 na piraso.
Ah.
Tapos sabi niya, how much is the boba? Eh, sabi ko mga 7, ganyan. Sabi ko, kulang na yung 10 mo. Sabi, tapos tinanong ko kung meron isa lang. Ayan, $2. Tonto siya. Okay,
Oh, let's go na.
sige na. Put
Yung ano lang, sticky rice na lang. Tapos alisa tayo dahil si Sarah.
Nag-text na?
Hindi, magpa-5 na eh. Ito, last item na nabibili namin.
Ilan?
6.
Goblin.
I'm so excited to eat this. I'm excited to eat this.
Oh, you eat that with your boba later, ha?
Okay. It's gonna be delicious.
So, total na binayaran namin. Magkano exactly binayaran natin? 100?
100?
Oh, parang 106 eh. Tingnan mo.
Parang Costco na.
I'm gonna.
106 na.
106.
Parang naman ako Costco.
Hindi, pero ano yan eh. Isang sakong bigas na.
$100 to spend all of that.
So, yun. Sundin na namin si Sarah.
And a red tray.
Can you take out the bag? I forgot. Oh, go. Open the door. Hindi mo kasabala. Hala.
Hi, chubby boy. What did you get? I have my own money.
Yan, last stop namin bago kami umuwi. Ito si Enzo, excited ng gastusin yung pera niya. Kasi kahapon binigyan sila ni Tita Remy ng tig $10. So sabi niya nagagastusin daw din nila today. Ano yan?
Can you give me my money?
So mali, dito pala sa Heartland yung last stop namin. Dahil kanina,
I remember we went.
nakakalungkot lang kasi diba before, lagi tayo bumibili dun sa It's Tea. So kanina lang namin nalaman na nag-close down na pala siya. Na-buy out na siya ng ibang may-ari. So pati yung ano kasi nila, yung menu nila, nag-iba na rin. Kaya hindi na kami nakabili. So kailangan pa namin sadyain dito ulit sa may Como. Dahil ito yung mas familiar kami.
Alam yung menu nila.
So what can you say about money? What did you learn about money? Didn't learn anything.
I'm rich.
You owe mommy money. You owe her 15 cents. How are you gonna give her 15 cents?
So you will do some chores.
Yeah, you do too. I would sweep
Vacuum?
Yeah, vacuum. Me too. Yeah.
You still have money,
Money.
but you don't have enough for Dorito.
Look, it's also vacuum. I can vacuum like this.
Yan. So, nakabili na kami ng milk tea. So, kompleto na yung araw na itong dalawa. At ubos na rin yung mga pera nila.
Si Sky.
Spent $7 for this.
Ano si Sky?
Can't believe you spent $7 for that.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I want money.
Ano si Sky?
Si Sky, may pera pa siya. So, meron pa siyang sukli na $2.10.
Si Enzo,
Si
wala
Enzo,
na.
negative 15 cents. Right, Enzo?
Yeah, I'm
Yan,
gonna
so
do
yan,
that.
pauwi na kami. And then, magluluto na lang si Jamie nung kakain na nga namin for dinner. And then after that, pahinga na. Pero tomorrow, wala pa rin pasok kasi long weekend nga. Civic holiday. So, si Jamie, nag-iisip pa kung saan kami pwede pumunta. Yan, so uwi na kami. Kaya siguro hanggang dito na muna ulit. So again, thank you for watching and I'll
That's
see you
what
next
y'all
video.
fix again.